Right here with me are 8 different tire sticker designs. I'm going to be using one of these to show you how you can install them on your car tires. And since I've installed these on a number of our customer cars, I'm going to also give you the top 10 tips that will help you to get a perfect finished job. When the installation is done right, tire stickers will change the look of your car in just a few steps. You can choose a design of your choice, but for me, I'll be using Pirelli stickers in this video because they are the smallest and so they should be the easiest to install. So tip number 1, make sure you buy a complete sticker word and not letter by letter. Because if you happen to buy stickers that are split into individual letters, it will give you some trouble to install and it will also take more time to install them. You will face alignment issues, and that's why it's very important to get a sticker that has combined letters instead of the ones that are split into letter by letter. So tip number 2, after receiving your tire stickers, make sure you analyze and understand your tire sticker design and arrangement. Some stickers are designed as a single word, just like Pirelli, and then there are others that are split into 2, just like Speed, Hunter, and then there are those that are split into even 3 parts, just like Performance. Now, this basically means that if a complete sticker has 3 parts, then you will have to place 3 parts at the top and 3 at the bottom of the tire to make a complete design. You can as well choose to apply half of the stickers instead of the full pack. For example, instead of applying 4 Speed Hunter stickers on one tire, you can use 2 and keep the rest as a replacement in case 1 or 2 gets old. Number 3, always remove the tire from the car before installing the tire stickers. Why? Because when the tire is off, it makes it easy to press the stickers firmly onto the tire so that they stick well. It's also far better to apply the stickers when you are standing or seated compared to when you're squatting or bending. Then number 4, clean the tires very well with water and sand them if you have to. Car tires usually gather dust, oil, and other materials that are not very friendly with rubber glue. So we have to make sure that we clean them thoroughly well in order for the glue to stick. When sanding, I usually use sanding papers between 80 and 150 depending on the tire type that I'm working on. 5. Put on comfortable gloves. Your gloves should be light and thin. I usually prefer using surgical gloves because they make it seem like you're not wearing anything. The main purpose of wearing gloves is to prevent the glue from sticking to your hands, because if it does, it will make you so uncomfortable and it will take like 2 days to completely clear off. Next, use only tire sticker glue, which is the adhesive that comes with the tire stickers just after when you buy them. Do not use super glue, do not use wood glue or even leather glue. All those won't just work well with rubber. Rubber glue is the best because it reacts and bonds just perfectly with the sticker rubber and the car tire rubber. Also, remember to press firmly on the stickers so that the glue does its job. Note, if it's your first time to install tire stickers on your car tire, you should buy an extra bottle of glue because the one that comes with your tire stickers just won't be enough. And another note, do not apply too much glue in order for the glue to dry fast and also to prevent it from spilling. You can use the writing technique where you apply the glue as if you're writing on the car tire. Then 7, make sure you get the alignment right. The first sticker should be at the top of the tire, and then the second sticker should be directly opposite the first sticker but facing down. You can as well apply the stickers directly on top of the words that are on the tire sidewalls and center the stickers very well. Also, it's very important to push the stickers inside closer to the rim so as to leave some outer space for safety. Next, remove and replace. So when your tire stickers get old and you want to replace them with a fresh copy of new tire stickers, you should always first peel off the old ones from your car tire, however much it might be hard, before installing this new copy. Installing a fresh sticker on top of an old sticker won't look good first of all, but also the new sticker won't stick well on top of the old ones. So you need to peel off the old ones or sand them off or remove the biggest pieces. Then tip number 9. The question here is, Can you install tire stickers on motorbike tires? And the answer is yes and no. Why? Because the rubber for some motorbike tires is usually different from the rubber for car tires. And so the glue might work or not work for your motorbike tires. I have installed stickers on bikes before, but the process wasn't so easy. So test them first on your bike to see if they can stick well, before you can proceed to apply on all tires. And lastly, wash with care. When washing your car tires which have tire stickers, please do not apply tire shine because it will stain them and they will lose color. If they are white, they might move from white to something like brown. And then too, if you want them to last longer, please brush the stickers gently. And that said, I hope this information helps you out as you install your car tire stickers. Feel free to let me know how it all goes in the comment section, and I'll be very happy to respond to any questions that will pop up. Bless.